Hello my dear students. In this video, let's start with the first lesson, Artificial Intelligence. In this video, let's study about definition of AI, meaning of AI and history of artificial intelligence. Introduction. The invention of computer or machines, their capability to perform various tasks went on growing exponentially. One of the booming technologies of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. That means in today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with different new technologies day by day. One of the trending technology is artificial intelligence. It has many important links with other fields such as maths, psychology, cognition, biology, philosophy, etc. Means this AI also used or it has link with many other fields like maths, psychology, biology, philosophy and some other fields. Let's see the definition of artificial intelligence. According to father of artificial intelligence John McCarthy, artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer program. John McCarthy was called as father of artificial intelligence. According to him, artificial intelligence is nothing but building a machine. We are using science and engineering which performs like a human intelligence. Means what are the human activity, human can do the works in the same way. If machines are built to perform the human work, then such a machine is called as artificial intelligence. It's nothing but if machine imitates the human activities, then it is called artificial intelligence. Meaning of artificial intelligence. Here in this artificial intelligence there are two terms. One is artificial and intelligence. Artificial means man-made. Intelligence means what? It is a thinking power. If you combine both these words, artificial and intelligence, you will get new term, that's artificial intelligence. And in simple way, artificial intelligence means a man-made thinking power. So let's see the another meaning. Artificial intelligence is a wide branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. That means it is a branch of computer science. The machine are capable to imitate intelligent human behavior. Then such machine is called as artificial intelligence. Let's see the another meaning. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like humans, think like humans and able to make decisions. That means it is a branch of computer science. This machine must be behave like a human, thinks like a human and able to take decisions. Means all the activities done by the humans are imitated by the machines, then such machines are called as artificial intelligence. Then history of artificial intelligence. Evidence of artificial intelligence folklore can be traced back to ancient Egypt. Intelligent robots and artificial beings first appeared in the ancient Greek myths of antiquity. But with the development of the electronic computer in 1941, the technology finally became available to create artificial intelligence. That means before the evolution of computer, this artificial intelligence was seen in Egypt and in Greek mythologies. Okay, after computer science, computer evolution, it become important. So the growth stage of artificial intelligence can be divided in 12 stages, that is gestation of AI to deep learning revolution. Okay, let's see this histories in detail. First one, the gestation of AI, 1943 to 1955. The gestation is nothing but the growth stage or starting stage of AI. The first one is 1943. Warren McColgo and Walter Fitts published a logical calculus of ideas immanent in nervous activities. The paper proposed the first mathematical model for building a neural networks. Warren McColgo and Walter Fitts, they developed a model to building the neural networks. Okay, they first build the model for the developing this neural network. Then see, what do you mean by neural network? Neural networks are a series of algorithms that mimic the operations of a human brain to recognize relationship between vast amount of data. That means they are the steps to find out the problem or to find out the solution to the problem. Means here neural network, they are the mechanism or the languages they used to solve the problems. The what are the steps are used, that such a steps or such a system is called as neural network. For example, you can understand it through an example. For example, we can easily recognize the numbers like 1 to 9, right? How? Because our human brain knew or we know the numbers easily. If such numbers are identified the machines, then such a system, the reason for the recognizing the numbers is the neural networks. Means because of the neural network, the computer can recognize the numbers easily. So it's what it says, what are the activities done by the humans, the same thing is done by the machines. Then the reasons for the working of the machine is a neural network. Okay. Then next one, 1949, that is Donald Hebb in his book The Organization of Behavior, a neuropsychological theory, proposed Hebbian learning theory. Donald Hebb, he proposed a theory, Hebbian learning. Hebbian learning, in this theory, or he proposed that neural pathways are created from experience and that connections between neurons become stronger the more frequently they are used. Here also he gave importance to neural network because of continuous using of this neural network. They become very strong and help the machines or help to solve the problem very easily. That is proposed in Hebbian learning. Then 1950, in this there are different events were taken place. The first one, Alan Turing publishes Computing Machinery and Intelligence article. Therein he introduced Turing test, machine learning, genetic algorithms and reinforcement learning. Turing test. In this paper he gave the different activities or different mechanisms are introduced by Alan Turing. First one is Turing test. That is, it determines whether machine is intelligent or not. Then machine learning, it is an important function of artificial intelligence that is introduced by the Alan Turing. Then genetic algorithms and another activity, that is reinforcement learning. These activities or these mechanisms were introduced by Alan Turing. Then Harvard undergraduate Marvin Minsky and Dean Edmonds built SNARK. It was the first neural network computer. Marvin Minsky and Dean Edmonds, they built a computer on the basis of neural network. Such a computer is called as SNARK. Then Claude Shannon published the paper Programming a Computer for Playing Chess. Here Claude Shannon developed a programming language or program to play chess. Then Isaac Asimov published the 3 laws of robotics. Isaac Asimov was a person who coined the term robotics, and in that itself he introduced or he proposed 3 laws of robotics. Then 1952, Arthur Samuel develops a self-learning program to play checkers. Here he developed a learning program, or he self-study program was developed to understand the game checkers. Okay, then 1954, the Georgetown IBM Machines translation experiment automatically translates 60 carefully selected Russian sentence into English. IBM Machines, they developed a machine translation mechanism to convert the Russian sentence into English in 1954. Then birth of AI. It is an important stage of artificial intelligence. That means artificial intelligence came into force in 1956. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. He is regarded as the father of AI. In 1956, he organized a conference, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, to draw the talent and expertise of others interested in machine intelligence. Of a month of brainstorming, he defined the scope and goals of AI at conferences. John McCarthy, he introduced, or he coined the term artificial intelligence. Because of that reason, he was called as father of AI. He coined this term at the Dartmouth conferences. In that conferences, he explained, or he defined the scope and goals of AI. In that year itself, Alan Newell and Herbert Simon demonstrated a logical theory, which was the first reasoning program. Then early enthusiasm and great expectations, that is in 1952, 1969. 1952, John McCarthy developed the AI programming language Lisp and published the paper Programs with Common Sense. This Lisp was the important programming language of AI. AI means artificial intelligence, and in his paper Programs with the Common Sense, he proposed that a complete artificial intelligence system with the ability to learn from experience as effectively as humans do. How humans learn from their experience, the same way the machines must be learned from its experience. That is proposed in this program with common sense paper. Then in 1959, Alan Newell, Herbert Simon and J.C. Short developed the General Problem Solver, a program designed to imitate human problem solving. Means how human solves the problem that same way they developed this GPS program to solve the problem. Then Herbert Gellernatter develops the geometry theorem prover program. In order to prove the theorems in geometry, they developed this program. Arthur Samuel coins the term machine learning at IBM. This machine learning, I already told, it is important in AI. Machine learning is nothing but it is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. What John McCarthy told in this paper, the same is developed by the Arthur Samuel. That means the machine must be capable of ability to take decisions and must learn from the experience. Such what mechanism is called as machine learning. Then John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky found the MIT AI project. Then in 1963, John McCarthy started AI lab at Stanford. Means he started artificial intelligence lab at Stanford. In 1966, the Automatic Language Processing Advisory Committee report by the US government details the lack of progress in machine translation research. This ALPAC committee, they gave the report that artificial intelligence was not working according to their goal. Because of that report, it leads to the cancellation of all government fund. Then in 1969, the rise of expert system became popular due to the creation of Edward Feigenbaum and Robert K. Lindsay's Dendral. It designed to diagnose blood infections are created at Stanford. Here the Dendral was a program or it's a mechanism that is found by Edward Feigenbaum and Robert K. Lindsay. Dendral, uh, it is is an expert system. It helps to find out the unknown organic molecules like DNA, proteins, RNA, like that. Means it used by the organic chemist to find out the organic molecules. That is a Dendral. So this Dendral software Dendral mechanism helps to find out the blood infections. Then Herbert Simon predicted that machines will be capable within 20 years of doing any work a man can do. According to him, what are the activities done by the man? The same thing can be done by the machines within 20 years. Then next one, a dose of reality. 1972, the logic programming language Prolog was created. This Prolog was used to prove the theorems, probabilistic reasoning, solve complex problem. This programming language was used. In 1973, the Lighthill report detailing the disappointment in AI research was released by the British government and leads to severe cuts in funding for artificial intelligence projects. This Lighthill report was given by Sir James Lighthill. Sir James Lighthill was asked by the UK Parliament to evaluate the state of artificial intelligence research in UK. Means the government told the James Lighthill sir to evaluate how AI was working, and on the that report given is called as Lighthill report. In that report, it told or it mentioned about the not working or disappointment in AI research. Means it is not working according to the goals. So because of that reason, the British government it cuts the funding for artificial intelligence projects. Simon stated that within 10 years a computer would be chess champion and significant mathematical theorem would be proved by machine. This prediction came true within 40 years rather than 10 years. According to Simon, within 10 years the computer can become chess champion as well as it can prove the mathematical theorem. But his expectation came true after 40 years. Then the difficulty was encountered in early machine translation effort. In 1966, a report by an advisory committee found that there has been no machine translation of general scientific text and none is in immediate prospect. All US government funding for academic translation project was cancelled. This early machine translation effort was the difficulty was encountered in early machine translation effort. This period we call as first a first AI winter. Okay, here this difficulty was encountered by the US National Research Council when they are attempt to speed up the translation of Russian scientific papers in the wake of the Sputnik launch in 1957. Means this what difficulty of machine translation encountered by the US National Research Council when they want to convert the Russian scientific text into English. Then they found the difficulties. So because of that reason, here the committee gave that there has been no machine translation of general scientific text and none is in immediate prospect. So according to committee that the conversion of scientific text into English software were not there, and their immediate development is not possible. Because of that reason, US government they cancel their funding to the project. Then knowledge based systems, the key to power. Use domain specific knowledge instead of general purpose search mechanism, trying to string together elementary reason steps to find complete solution. Here domain specific knowledge means knowledge relevant to a certain situation or a problem. Means in order to solve a particular problem, it use a particular software. Through using that specific software or specific data, they can solve the problem instead of general purpose. For example, if in our MCOM we have two specialization, right? Finance and HR. If I have problem related to finance, what I have to do? I have to consult the finance specialist. In the same, I have difficulty in HR, means I have to consult the HR specialist. So through them itself, I can what get a solution. In the same way, if I have problem related to some specific data or a specific problem, then I have to use some specific data itself. Means specialized data can be used to use a particular problem. That is a domain specific knowledge was used. Okay, the Dendral program to solve the problem of inferring molecular structure from the information provided by mass spectrometer. Already know, we know the meaning of Dendral. Dendral is used to find out the organic molecules. So the same thing is used to solve the problems of inferring molecular structure from the information provided by the mass spectrometer. Then expert system was developed. This expert system is a means it is a computer system that evaluates the decision making ability of a human expert. That means if a system has a ability to make a decision like a humans, then such a system is called a expert system. For example, the example of expert system is a Google or GPS. Okay, MYCIN was used to diagnose blood infection. MYCIN is an expert system. It is used to identify bacteria causing severe infections and recommended antibiotics. This MYCIN software or mechanism used to find out the infections or the reason for the infection, and it also recommend the how to cure such a infection. So MYC1 was used to diagnose blood infections. Because of these mechanisms or it's useful, it called as it is better than junior doctors. Then AI become an industry. The first successful commercial expert system R1 began operation at the Digital Equipment Corporations. The program helped to configure order for new computers. Because this R1 system become very popular, and it helps the new computer systems to deliver its order. Then 1982, Japan's Ministry of International Trade and Industry announced fifth generation computer system project, a 10-year plan to build intelligent computers. The goal was to develop supercomputer and platform for AI development. Means Japan Ministry, they announced the fifth generation computer system project in order to develop the AI, artificial intelligence program. In 1983, on the basis of Japan Ministry, US also they launches the strategic computing initiatives to provide DARPA funded research in advanced computing and AI. US government it provided DARPA research fund. DARPA means the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. Okay, it's acronym of DARPA. This agency they provide the research for provide fund to the strategic computing initiatives, which helps to in research taking research or undertaking the research for advanced computing and AI. This DARPA provide the funds for undertaking research in advanced computing and AI using strategic computing initiative project. Then in 1985, companies are spending more than $1 billion on expert system, and an entire industry known as Lisp machine market springs up to support them. In 1985, expert system become very popular, and so many of the companies are used to invest in such a system. And the important or most used expert system was Lisp machine market. Lisp machine market means a computer which uses the Lisp as its programming language. That market become very springs means become very popular. Then the written on neural network. In the mid 1980s, at least 4 different groups reinvented the backpropagation learning algorithm, first found in 1969. These so-called connectionist models of intelligent system were seen by some as direct competitors to both the symbolic models promoted by Newell and Simon and logicist approach of McCarthy and others. Here in 1969, a backpropagation learning algorithm that such a algorithm called as connectionist models, and according to expert, this connectionist model is a competitor to the symbolic models and logicist approach. As occurred with the separation of AI and cognitive science, modern neural network research has been bifurcated into two fields. This modern neural network, we know the meaning of neural network, that modern neural network divided into two fields. The one is creating effective network architecture and algorithms and understanding their mathematical properties, means building the network architectures. Then algorithm is nothing but the step by step procedure which were in written form to solve the problems. Okay, that is algorithm. And understanding the mathematical properties, and understand the properties of these were network architecture and algorithms. Then careful modeling of the empirical properties of actual neurons and ensembles neurons, means this the properties of neurons can be understand. That is another field of a neural network. Then second, AI winter. The Lisp machine market collapsed in 1987, ushering in the second AI winter. The Lisp machine market was collapsed due to the they are not achieving the goal of the company, or what expected in the AI was not up to the mark. Because of that reason, Lisp machine market collapsed. So this collapse leads to the second AI winter, means second artificial intelligence winter. During this period, expert system proved too expensive to maintain and update, eventually falling out of favor. Here expert system it become too expensive to maintain and update, so that this expert system collapsed. Japan terminates the FGCS project in 1992 because of a failure in meeting the ambitious goals outlined in the FGCS project. They terminates the investment. DARPA ends the Strategic Computing Initiative in 1993. Again, US government's fund DARPA was it ends its funding to the Strategic Computing Initiative project in 1993. Then AI adopts the scientific method. AI had come firmly under the scientific method. That means now full artificial intelligence, fully scientific method. It uses the hypothesis, empirical experiments, and the result analyzed on the statistic basis. So because of that reason, artificial intelligence called as it comes firmly under scientific method. Then speech recognition technology and the related field of handwritten character recognition were making the transition to widespread industrial and consumer application. Means here speech recognition and handwritten character recognition were become very important during this scientific method. Hidden Markov models dominated this area. It provided a mathematical framework for understanding the problem and support the engineering claim that they work well in practice. Here HMM model was become very popular in speech recognition technology, and they proved that they are provided a mathematical framework for understanding the problem, and they using the engineering, means they use scientific methods to understand this use for understanding the speech recognition technology. Then machine translation and neural networks were in trend, means they become very popular in during this 1987 periods. Data mining technology has found a vigorous new industries. Data mining technology means a technology which used to convert raw data into useful information. Such technology is called data mining technology, that become very popular. Then Julia Pearl's probabilistic reasoning in intelligent system led to new acceptance of probability and decision theory in AI. Because of this system, the probability and the decision theory become very easy. Okay, the Bayesian network formalism was invented to allow efficient represent of and rigorous reasoning with the uncertain knowledge. Then normative expert system was developed and act according to law of decision theory. This normative expert system was developed to take a decision and solve the problem. Then emergence of intelligent agent. This intelligent agent topic is very important in artificial intelligence, means it is a plays important role in AI. From 1990s until the turn of the century, AI has reached some incredible landmarks with the creation of intelligent agents. What do you mean by intelligent agents? Intelligent agents basically use their surrounding environment to solve problems in the most efficient and effective manner. Intelligent agents is nothing but it is like a programming language. They solve the problems using their surrounding environment in an efficient and effective manner. That is an intelligent agent. That concept became very popular in 1990s. In 1991, US forces deployed DARPA, an automated logistic planning and scheduling tool during the Gulf War. They used this data system to during the Gulf War. 1995, the VAMP car drove an entire 150-kilometer racing track without any help from human intelligence. That means here this car, it is an automatic car without human intervention. It drove an entire 158-kilometer racing track. 1997, the first computer named Deep Blue beat a world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Means this system, this software, it beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. 1999, humanoid robots began to gain popularity as well as the ability to walk around freely. Means the humanoid robots become very popular in 1999. Then the availability of very larger data sets. Throughout the 60 years of computer science, the emphasis has been on the algorithm as the main subject of study. But recent works in AI emphasis on data than the algorithm. Here says in 60 years old, means before 2001, the algorithm plays an important step. Algorithm means step by step procedure to solve the problems. But after 2001, it becomes, our emphasis is given that data is important in artificial intelligence to solve the problem or to work like a human's. Data is very important, so emphasis given on a data than algorithm. In 2005, Stanley, a self-driving car, wins the DARPA Grand Challenge. DARPA Grand Challenge means it is a prize competition for American autonomous vehicles funded by Defense Advanced Research Project agencies. It is a competition by the DARPA agencies. This Stanley car wins such a challenge or the such a competition. That Stanley is a AI built car, means without human intervention, self-driving car. So the US military begins investing in autonomous robots like Boston Dynamics Big Dog and iRobots Packbot. Means the US military, they invested in AI softwares or robots like Big Dog and Packbot. Then in 2008, Google makes breakthrough in speech recognition and introduced the feature in the iPhone app. In 2008, Google, they developed speech recognition software and that introduced in their iPhone app. As Cruisewell writes, today many thousands of AI applications are deeply embedded in the infrastructure of every day. According to him, this AI become every part of the industries, means it become used in every industries. Deep learning revolution. Deep learning means it is also one of the important function of AI. Okay, deep learning means it is an AI function that mimics the workings of the human brain in processing data for use in detecting objects, images, recognizing speech, translating languages and making decisions. Means deep learning means it is a function that help the computer to detect the objects, images, to recognize the speech and translating languages and making decision. Such a system or such a mechanism is called as deep learning. Such revolution was taken place in 2010 and now also it is used. 2012, Andrew Ng, founder of the Google Brain Deep Learning Project, feeds the neural network using deep learning algorithms. Here, Andrew Ng, he is a founder of a Google Brain Deep Learning Project. He used the deep learning algorithm to develop the neural network. Then in 2014, Google makes first self-driving car to pass a state driving test. How we take DL, no, the same way to take DL, Google make a first self-driving car to pass state driving test. Means the self-driving car using artificial intelligence, they pass the what driving test. Then 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeats the world champion Go player Lee Sedol. The Google DeepMind's AlphaGo, it is a software or it's an app that app defeat the Lee Sedol, who is a champion in a Go game. Okay. Then speech recognition and computer vision were dominated by deep learning. Means deep learning technology was used in speech recognition and in computer vision. AI has been playing a big role in certain commercial markets and throughout the World Wide Web. Means now artificial intelligence is used in almost all the markets, in all the industries and all over the internet, means World Wide Web. Now AI is using. Okay, this is about the history of artificial intelligence. Means how artificial intelligence grown up to 2010 to now, means 1941 to now it is 2010, how it is developed. That is the history of AI. Thank you.